Kia ora. Welcome to Thermosash. We're a proudly New Zealand-owned company. Let me show you around. I'm sure you'll fit right in. As a designer, if you've got an eye for detail, you're precisely who we're looking for. Now, a machine operator needs to stay sharp because it's your job to carefully shape and form aluminium to fine tolerances. Hey, Joel. As an assembler, you're where it all comes together. We build the window frames in our factories so they're ready for glazing. Good job, mate. Being a glazier is clearly where it's at. Your job is to make sure the glass is sealed and secured inside the window frame. All right, looks like this bad boy's ready for site. Let's go. Now, as an installer, you're on site bringing the pieces of the puzzle together. I reckon you'd be the perfect fit. Hey, Wes. Being a project manager, it's all about looking at the big picture. No pressure. Well, there's heaps of pressure, but you'll thrive off it. At Thermosash, we don't just design and build facades, we build futures. So, what do you reckon? I guess there is a fair bit to take in. Let us know if you have any questions, but answer mine first. When can you start?